Introducing DoMyShoot Web App for the DoMyShoot mobile app users. Let us get you an insight to the amazing features of DoMyShoot Web App. To start with, you can either use the existing images on your DoMyShoot account or upload new images using the Import Files tab. My Projects tab allows you to view the uploaded product images and also the existing images on the DoMyShoot account. Clicking on the View Details will allow you to access a lot of features. Integration feature allows you to access an automated workflow so that you can easily share your visual content on all your channels of sale. Adaptation feature allows you to create images in compliance with the selected marketplace. Add Backdrop feature gives you access to 8,000 plus backgrounds to create compelling visual content for your storefront. You can also share your product images using the Share button. Download button allows you to download ready product images. Color correction allows you to adjust the colors and add other elements. It will be helpful for us if you could also share your feedback. Next, we have the Explore Background section in Store that allows you to filter your search list and select appropriate background to create lifestyle imagery for your product. Account settings allow you to edit your profile and recharge your account to conduct more photo shoots. Enjoy using the DoMyShoot Web App and create compelling visual content for your storefront.